Kakagising ko lang. Pero nakita ko na niremove ng TikTok yung isa kong video na nare-respond ako sa troll for breaking community guidelines. Naiinis lang ako kasi ilang beses na nag-post ako ng video ng ganun. Pero ngayon lang, feeling ko nagre-report yung mga troll sa akin kasi nagagalit sila. Confused lang ako. Diba? Kasi why did the video I make get flagged? But not the comments themselves that I've been trying to limit and monitor. Why are there still so many people being allowed to say things about me that are so mean, that are harassing me? But then when I respond, I get flagged for it. I don't know. I'm just naiinis right now. I think may nag-report sa akin. But